Apostle Solomon Oduro and the day kind of assembly court in the month of April 2024. And or they assembly a court awayano omungono and some men or they in court no, and that's what part 2 is about. Part 3 about Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro and so no so at the court. Mesero, so many subscribe button so now I click the bell notification icon. So now follow you. You're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on Twitter. Agree. So bet you have your comment section or share videos about for so any biashe. Now you go straight to common eso.
You can get judge. The two of us is good.
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah. But you're no more than me.
But my culture say petition we no and I say come on a shall in April 2024. And there's a woman I was screen so no. It's Apostle Solomon Oduro and they assembly in court say omagu traditional one court engu emremu die no. And then the original petition in court. But original petition no oma amended because Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro had the response by to the original petition. And Apostle Solomon Oduro find an amended petition. It's the original petition mu kakra. But the real just our amended petition nimo. It's where the gospel according to Apostle Solomon Oduro. Yeah, me na obi say obi aka say na rumors na ebi. Yeah, be call the omodi akwa because when the omo ma say omodi akwa dan court. It's where Apostle Solomon Oduro say utu say di and shase no. It's the amended petition no. Omodi on the 29th of November 2024. And as Apostle Oduro, I catch a Kwabenya, a court and say, oh, my honor, baby, 2008, I was anointed Pentecostal church, and then they warrior, 30th of May 2008, and they warrior. Near warrior, and your Kotina Kwabenya, Mosuku, our uncompleted building, if you are near atomic junction, so what's no Kakabasa year, Yabomodia, you wear a matrimonial home. A matrimonial bed. Oh, yeah, Kwabenya. Just a hot and I mean, our inner question. Now, my lord, me, I'm here petition. I'm here so for our Royal Victory Family Church. I'm we now, and I'm here. I'm in Jai, and so a year president of Real Woman in Me Ministry. I just am here, Munina, so a counselor. Now, aside from that, yatsina for 15 years. Yatsina for 15 years. Ye now call me and say, "Oh, penny or woman no, our 15 years." And I keep to our 40 years. And I keep to our 8 years. My lord, ye na Ghana for ye na if Ghana. Let's say refugee na Ghana for this year. Now, my lord, ye mba court that says ye warrior. Ye court that, but ye warrior dey do dey atutia pansam. Ni mo atetia warrior no. I want to tap on some. My lord, some the end because the difference is not as so. Now the difference is the way amended petition. My kind of original petition the name more. It's amended petition and adjusted. The difference is now I say since you're worrying about me worrying Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro and person that contributed to our end in any way maintenance be no contributing. My lord, any no kwa Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro they will need team. Says yo, Bema the Sheffield, into already a person to take one as a simple about Marimu. Now, some may put ye. Only as I say, Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro. I will shut down when they saw your year. What I say, I won't shut down any connection be any between or no any Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro. Now, and Kuala Mutiti or Monsono. Hey, some make us say, and Kuala A, Reverend Counsellor say Kuala B, if the pass a better thing Kuala yet. Yemi no. The American Colano, now Reverend Counsellor should show opposite. If I say a way, you to meet Transit at Colambu. It's my lord, ready our end at the Chapasam. Now, my lord, only be. The year have crowd woman says, Siano, maybe who Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro be an anxiety at me. Now, you must say me, now me hope because I was costing me. That's it, or the mere fat at the table. I might say, my stress actually. Now, my lord, the ordinary femuno, Ebi, Mammy Judge Muncho. Unreasonable behavior. Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro identity among me. No anxiety, that's what distress me. And then they say, me and my friend is why I'm yiri. Decision be a Reverend Counsellor be take biano. On one who taking the decision. On him discussing video. Say be a baby, me akoto pin na baby pin no. Osha yenya say on him discuss. Now first no on him communicate. Say be a obefa phone afreme. On him ni komo. Yenu komobia na onwa ma ye running fie no say bia beti sika say bia baby jiwe na e fa support onyesa na since 2024 January 2024 chef amakoko father beti a chef nwi aduane maye my lord Reverend Counsellor ended every chef in the Portsmouth. First no video, but you see how you only for the January 2024. Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro and I say only the free chef or no alcohol chef in India and more now we know. January 2024 and I saw the free chef in the boom and the chef in plate mono. Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro and here the army one in master bedroom. Mina make Assembly claim national or can assembly any paragraph 9 section D or say the respondent has since January 2024 refused to eat from the chef the petitioner employed in the matrimonial home and cooks from the master bedroom into the cocoa counsellor fufua counsellor work mutua the people near any rate of service. But that's it. But say cooks from the master bedroom. I'm master bedroom. No, I want to cancel here behind the wall. Oh yeah. Mr. Counsellor Charlotte Oduro so responsible. Into the Tobasi. What I say, I go Counsellor Charlotte Oduro. But Apostle Solomon Oduro say, Counsellor Charlotte Oduro on near the since January 2024 now only the was chef needs to hey. Fufu no wo kokonte Afrifa-Mensah eto oye no master bedroom na Counsellor Charlotte Oduro fan one day so on the e wo ye chef ni sem January no and o tubu ni man so asum I just say for March 2024 ni man the chef na first we na dia no chef no first no what can't match am 50 March 2024 enkwala ni the was chef ni omu di chef na aduane eja sama wo fufu ma do ye fese e ka eto ma ye Afrifa-Mensah ma ye jollof ma ye rice water e wo master bedroom o me di chef dia dey for March 2024 enkwala ni di e chef na aduane bi na hano na ya kan sema che enkwala no enya no kwa enkwala ni sabe de mutu bu memitia e ma che se me to me sra enkwala no a ni se ni na no ohu ni se Reverend Counsellor and a tutu asem kwala ni tirim wa kan se ma che kwala no enya no kwa edu bi kra po de mia mi fi amesi wo kwa benya no my lord so won fie no fie le make say that squeeze my lord mia mi fi amesi wo kwa benya enkwala etu mi lock me ka say ma me say be she dey allow it can't to the house enkwala etu mi lock me say why na mob quite to me so mon lock me every few on ma omoso ma me and the mom sa to me my lord enya no kwa me am jina he me be ma ketika my lord woman me be ma ketika my lord ye di me fa physical and emotional abuse mu e wa ware amatsine mu 50 years my lord but my lord is your fault now kwa sumu how many years my lord my bre after so no enya no kwa o Reverend Counsellor oh e dey be go yin marriage ring no o yin wedding ring no the moon session e mo che permission o yin wedding ring no the finish my lord she said wa pack efie on match money at home no wa pack efie o men kan ye kwa no my lord betu kan 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 my lord be 20 times e be do 20 times I don't know my lord 20 times I say this why we be on my lord me nye be bia no pack efie on 20 times in kwano pack and you in the ring no pack you in the ring no pack you in the ring no pack na me me busia where paragraph 10 me busia 4 ya pomodia say any Reverend Counsellor be kasa ni resolve your differences any ade na ka bia etumi atena so kuro na yere because me don't know my lord now so somebody that safe me is my lord be bia no ya kan yeduma my lord December 28th of December 2023 me man cry can say me chere me money can say me my lord 20 me say me kai date 28th of December 2023 my lord and kwala ka chere me say o ma me ene mema fofo e wa yonkofo bi relationship sana o ka no me na make o say that on the 28th of December 2023 the children of the marriage informed the petitioner about the respondent's relationship with other men and her visits to other men, one of whom is someone who wanted to marry the respondent in the past. What's it maybe cry na ko person worry meyere in the past. Me kwala na ma information out to the extent say omo chana meyere ko srasa papa. Okosrasa papa no. Mema meyere ni omo din komo meyere ko omo hono mo o hwa yonkofo na dem mutem na my lord exchange friends bestie my lord 28th of December 23. Nkola ne ka sanse mi na akyere. My Lord, hwe we my Lord, paragraph 12 no ka sanse mi o say ema ye worry 8 years into aware no. So ka say Mary ankasa kra kai okufiti. My Lord, sanse no twa ntro omwa. Me ena me ka kyere say be say ye jai. Me be say ye jai na masa enyoma ma ye wo aware mu se na be aware be so no. But 8 years into aware na still me will change this beyond my Lord na can be say be jai. Sad time no. And my Lord, Reverend Counsellor Oduro, obe apologize to me the first time. The first time, so obe sacha, why was such a nadri? Menya boni biom, my love, menya boni biom, my Lord, so no boy. 1 year pet, and or that's by Papa D. 1 year pen or that's by Papa D. After that 1 year, or also go back to the old ways. What's the America? And you also say that the respondent for the first time apologized to the petitioner and asked that the parties work out their differences. But same did not yield any results as the respondent went back to her old ways 1 year after the reconciliation. And you mean America? It's a no document. My Lord. Or go back to the old ways. My Lord, am I a worry? Me and a Marshall Polano. If you had ye paper table so, ye papa ha, ye secretary, ye tumpa, ye yesi. My Lord, mina me kodjom kodija, eba, and yoma, and a mopping stick, and a plate to your pie. My Lord, mina me disable. Me, na me. My father also don't see me ye, yes, mina na me. My Lord, Miss Asu on confirm my form with the above. I have been motion colano. Auntie are we nkwala nkofo ma fa mu de be fi no mo hwe bi mo so ye church members and e bi nso wo ho no ma me na mi tu omoka asa nkofo na be fi omo boa yen adiyom na say animo no so for Solomon pese o kire yo na say e be am say Reverend Counsellor enye bibia ofi but was ensem ya make na yo so for Solomon de maka cho say Reverend Counsellor response wo ho enti to was e du ono ma wo tie we na wo tie no so na wa jaja ma o to was Eti o chese ade ye o fa nkofo ono aso ye bi asese dum ze na o chese Reverend Counsellor ne sa paragraph 16 e rusu no o say my lord but make us micho mo ye second born no 14 ye wo no in 2011 ye wo ye second born me yiri Reverend Counsellor e started so ton oil and drinks e wa sorry. What is it? Na sa edwuma na oye wa so ho no ton oye oye ne drinks ni ade no e wa so no na sika no onye fuma bia o eye sika ye wo ye second born no ye ni naming ceremony and the outdoor cholo am for the bedroom ye no eno no dey starting say edwuma no eno dey starting say edwuma nti ke sika ke emi na betumi a che na so ma me fa ne se wo odo de odo nti na e dey oba se obeso ye it be just kind of and all this start is edwuma. My Lord, start business no. Naka or yes and ye be obetumi dia boa na ya manage efie. Now so or start business no. Hey my Lord, capre. Capre no one my Reverend Charlotte. Any boy awari. Capre one contribute hey chop money. We are or the POP assurance e awari. One contribute. Now so ye ba do risika and all the shares our business na say. Because already you say Beman was say Beman yetri it's my Lord me na me bre di hwe obia ofi ho sika no onya fi oye animu ni ade ina no ono ana no fa o start so ton tade any perfume ama asori ma no o start so ton oye ndie kakra this sika na no e no kofa perfume ni tade so na o ton ama asori ma no e aso fa me o so fa perfume dey come o so fa matare dey come o so sika me fi omo ba no outdoor sika no Ombane outdoor sika no the start is our business no better on tade so asori ho ni na man ka hwe my Lord me Reverend Counsellor who is all your counseling me and I be who say aduma chede bi Reverend Counsellor mo Reverend Counsellor wo spirit bi woni mu a chese se me to me guide no model na show bet you ababa ni pakese it's my Lord me na me notices our spirit no oh Reverend Counsellor mo and then me catch and say oh engage in church activities any ade on fa ne hu shame I told them, my Lord, me na me panic chow. Say ombra asori programs. Make bisano. Me na me panic chow. So ombra asori programs. Send ye be ya. The confidence of one anything you to me kasa no obetumi a build upon. My lord, men and me man yes sir. My lord, both 2011 and 2017 yeba be reverend counsellor reverend yeba be born reverend and na me so 2011 and 2017 and na me so lord ya no kwa me man ye second in command e wa so ho ma me man to me senior be ya what I say obetumi. I mean, I feel say yes. I mean, our software here any idea. Now so take it for granted. No, family who? Or family go to put to make it. Or family who? My lord, me rent a shop at the man me share no. Or say they now or koye ni ti are body. Me share no rent a shop man. What I say? I know talk cosmetics wo. My lord besides say 2019 this year there. Sa shop ne kusi say. What tum? Sa shop no ton shi o. Ukwa nkra enu ni petition esira enu ni petition esira enu ni by the or say that the petitioner took care of the respondent and rented a shop for the respondent where the respondent initially sold cosmetics and provisions, but the shop has since been closed. 2019 been closed. I say Reverend Counsellor as also turn drinks or Reverend Counsellor no business is name wa bo an man aya Reverend Counsellor never na nya hwe o bo ofi. I say Reverend Counsellor turn drinks as also turn communion. I was sorry as a man for talk or not as for who it's an hour wait to 10 cities wait to 15 cities wait to 20 cities. Hey Counsellor just go mami and I go to light go to people conference KB ba o say lucrative business ka wo Obazika who tired Obazika dey advise go o say sika wo what I say now so be any one man Reverend Counsellor etumi say bia or say no person chill say when you be 10 cities I say mirror and na dey me call ya no me turn communion ni ade no mirror 10 cities abinya yo etumi anye aso wa na turn communion ni say drinks in the man no so etumi anye da e bia so ni one mo etumi ka say mirror me nkola en pobo ya wo so mo shey kra no me ana me tomo mo etumi anye say ya dey run if you etumi anye bi dia enya na me ka see or say that the respondent also sells drinks and communion at the petitioner's church, which is a very lucrative business, but has never rendered account or supported the petitioner to run and maintain the matrimonial home. Me chandro our petition now see I say 6 years ya na mobile say Reverend Counsellor bi or Counsellor Charlotte Oduro ni ade 6 years ya within that 6 years no other say Reverend Counsellor I will Range Rover or Jetto 4x4 what I say oh ni Range Rover and Jetto 4x4 I just say sign no money na no the other so the quarters aka so ina no me Mercedes Benz am toma no me to the channel and no ko ton ye or ton Mercedes Benz am to the channel ko ton ye. Some you also ton diapers, retail new wholesales. What I say? Or on a brand or ton. It is some whisker and go with me a brews on what be hey, and you know what? You take Kwabinya say, ya wari Nancy, ya wari Muyai, Wakata has a sword catapo. It didn't say everyone who has sent copper so gruffy, I go with me a buffy. It's only now what? What? Messi me feel. If you are see, you know, a 8-bedroom and so what Kwabinya. And I currently am a matrimonial home. And me, Apostle Solomon Oduro, and me see ye. Me and me financing if you know. Me and me financing if you know. Loan na mejeje, business kakra, any idea, electrical shop, be a crown na me work, some shop the crown matum. Some matum because me no what treme. Now so me ye on wefi. Anya no kwa me a wo me say car me use Nissan Rogue eno ne car me use you wanna eno ne car me use Nissan Rogue so me use Range Rover so wo Jetto say ka bia ka obeka say oh obuafie you wanna you worry enya say na ya worry na me ni you wanna me am say 8-bedroom me to cars man no first me to Suzuki na man no eche na me koto ye Toyota Camry man no eche na me to Mercedes Benz na waton a me susu say no dey bi aso koto Range Rover de Jetto no me to say cars man ko to cars me sa Suzuki Camry and a Mercedes Benz what one no nso me ke sisi a me wie ye me twi Nissan Rogue nso omboefie me we ni etiro omboefie you wanna nya no kwa you wanna hana asem ni ye me yakese no so upon the man me ni you wanna say for the past 4 years yentina yen da ba akumu say media be yiri nie. So the be akamentra hana me yiri ntra kwana. You na yen tra dai ba akumu for the past 4 years. So kunu ne yiri. Yen tra dai ba akumu for the past 4 years. It we say calculate or the petition ikoye. First one in April and a second one or they call it in November 2024. Into for the past 4 years no come now I say from 2019 2020 no almost na die back mu exactly no more recording video and
Yeah, that's my baby. Yes. Yeah.
You can get judge.
Yeah.
The two of us. Who's good?
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're no more than me.
I know you're beautiful, but
You see what?
fresh guy, fresh boy.
Who is the old woman?
Oh, maybe later.
what is a lesson by yen to aso what enya na make be say me na make see or say that the petitioner says that the parties no longer relate to each other as husband and wife and have not slept in the same room for 4 years. For 4 solid years. Omonga die back kumo. Now I get interesting. Paragraph 34. And the Apostle Solomon Oduro, and they can petition. But can you say in the original petition, and simply do one count. But after Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro response or they buy to the original petition, and the Apostle Solomon Oduro come amending the petition, and all the way count paragraph 34. Or say, you wanna petitioner me Apostle Solomon Oduro na make us we actually say. You worry 16 years. Kind. From 2008. You worry, your honor. You suje, and quite 12. Your honor, me say, from 2008, you worry. You suje, and quite 12. 12, your honor, 12. Say 15 and another 16 years, quite 12. But, court documents, or say 16 years, no more trying, no. Or my suje. Choco, zogamizo. Or my 12 pet. 12 pet. And you mean I make see or say the petitioner says that the parties have had relations 12 times out of their 16 years of marriage. Omwa is 16 years, Omwa 12 pet. It would have funny say every year be our crown almost short for or like Omwa 12 pet. 12 out of 16 years. It's every year be a come here back one. Apostle say, "You won't go deep on the for." And you go on the for. Catch your honor. So your honor, you that my coming for the past 4 years. But your honor, you me your crown. You are worried 16 years, your honor. Your honor, me two at the end 12 times pay. Your honor, hey, we are can 16 po. Never say Afibia me two back, Afibia me two back, your honor. I want to work with you. I say, no Apostle Solomon Oduro. And he May 2024. And of no hard so bet if you are. If you are there, master bedroom, I want to hear you. If you are here, some own in the Maloki lock in the day. Oh, tell one mind. Oh, 12 if you are. Oh, bet you. And you did if you bet. Oh, Counsellor Kwana ni national. He said, why? Oh, bet if you are. It's May 2024. And we to feel for no other. Assume be any war being it to feel. After your come, you say, our way, you want a wow shy, our baby 16, Mako 16, Marimu 12 pay, our baby, Yatina, sir, for the past 4 years, and Tana Kuni, our baby, master bedroom. Your honor say, yeah, Diana or Honomo, Chef Diana, you collide Diana, and collide or chemical bume. Our your honor shall be and your honor guano. Now, so guana. I had a difference, the one. In the original petition, Apostle Solomon Oduro the court say court in Ghana. O man the demand very simple. So person bu gwa ware no, obe rent dan, obe tua okola school fees, ene de kaka ho. Wan fa sika bi a hyem ni ade. But in the amended petition after Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro the response. And Apostle Solomon Oduro say, "Osra court no, court in first number we man say, back on. Court in gwa ware mo ware in May 2008. Court bu wia. The atosu mienu and they say, person mo have a joint custody. Say your court in the Biano, or mo have a joint custody of Enkwala Miensam, or mo have a joint custody. Apart from no so no, or per se court no man 550,000 Ghana cedis because council ababe council in enam so council ababe reverend in enam so council akaze oji na no boano council aton oye ni drinks dey communion wa sorry dey more we mu akonta ba kokra man what man 550,000 Ghana cedis this is kind of 5.5 billion and also court is a court in man because omatitsin wa we go to a lot court in man and you know kwa ombetwe keep your respective properties. Hey, say councillor, our jeto, our Range Rover. Oh here, what I say what catapult. Oh here, what I say what heifer. Oh here, councillor bet me afa. Omo keep your properties. Properties beyond our court fee say. Councillor there. You also Apostle Solomon Oduro there. Omo keep you. Oh here be bia. The free councillor. After so no. Court say my order. Say na be ono Apostle Solomon Oduro no. Ebe movie councillor. Ene nkwala no. E dey free name 8-bedroom mansion no. And you are cockopé a 3-bedroom accommodation with your mom. Into the court man is acquired. So wait me, sir. No copé dying 3-bedroom be and for mom. Now, first, so all shame Colano, copim say or mobile chapter was over 8 years. I flew in a bit 9 years. No, Sir Colano, a baby school cry. Court man is our order. No to me, yes, I know. I first no, or person mama, a hotel school fees. Omo monthly allowance of 3,000 Ghana cedis. Kopim say apra otwa to no be school kra. Court say fast order ni man. Now first court say fa order mra. Say parties be no embe omo legal fees. We any the Austria court no. In the first petition, Apostle Solomon Oduro amfa say 550,000 Ghana cedis demand see any 3,000 Ghana cedis monthly we amfa mbem obi emu ma court say court ngwa wa no na afa so court no efa hye egu akwem say na be have a joint custody na wa hwe ne mba na wa pay accommodation aye befitting ama na ye ne mba na wa hwe nkola ne kopem say nkola ne be wie school na omienu na na cater for legal fees na afa e ba ne say na Apostle Solomon Oduro e ka say court no e ma 550,000 Ghana cedis na afa so no Otwabo say obema nkwala no 3,000 Ghana cedis as monthly allowance kopim say the otwato no ebe wie school kra school fees ni ade de obekoso a etua e ba ne say ye be ko Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro response of them Apostle Solomon Oduro no emo na ya responde to every single allegation bi na Apostle Solomon Oduro e raise here and the responser Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro e dem Apostle Solomon Oduro they admit here you're correct here and you're challenging here a high gossip 24 Makacho say hano mo yintiki sites the story never blow as it is we document no eda wini yagani and yes say there rumors be and obi kase and obi cc we the gospel according to Apostle Solomon Oduro or say number 1 omo agree on kwan befa so atete nkwala number 2 on the yere enter the same room for the past 4 years as husband and wife. Number 3, baby omoda omo master bedroom omo yiri ndi omoduane enti no sambe die fit January 2024 na yiri ndi aduane e master bedroom. Number 4, say the omo agree on say no beti nkwala nsame nkwala ni bu no oni nsema na yere aka che nkwala no fit March 2024 nkwala no kwa ndi aduane a chef ne ye ne eje o ma enu aduane wo master bedroom tie no and now nkwala ni di. Number 5, okay say in December 2023 nkwala ne kanse bi che no emema ozuzu se na yere ni ono mu ayonkofa bi abura ayonkofa kekeso ba kokura wo ma na ko o ware ne yere ansa ono Apostle Modu e be ware Reverend Counsellor Charlotte Oduro e ka ho a ho ne se no so no e ya ade a kwahye makon nkwala na kasa na ka che no. Number 6, omontina na ba ko for 4 years 60 years of warrior no watikube 12 pe ewo 60 years of warrior no wayezo komizo 12 times pe ewo yona odeka. Number 7, wahwe maame no maame na ba Reverend Counsellor ono no motivate maame no maame na nya ne ho maame ni Samuel Range Rover Mercedes Benz automobile kwa waton dia kwa koto jeto 4x4 car but still an maame no mwefie enye hwe court ni for maame ne japade na ama no ono so Apostle Solomon Oduro mfa ne japade court mfa order mbra so obi entua ne legal fees obehwe ne mba ɔbɛrɛnte dan ama maame no ne ma no na sɛ court no ehu no wɔ nyansa mu a sɛ ɔdi bim sɛ wafɔ yɛ ne atete mu a court ma ne 550,000 Ghana cedis as compensation.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.